Hi, this is Kanani here. So today we will talk about the authenticate association request and association response frame. So we already discussed in the last session about the authentication frame. So it's I think a single type of frame. So here we will see the association request and association response. So association request is sent by the client. Association response is sent by the AP here. So here I have captured the open authentication uh, as a part of along with the .NX authentication. So first open authentication will happen, then the .NX or a PSK authentication will happen between the client and the AP. So I have captured uh, the authentication between client and the AP here. So let me start with the association request. So this is my Samsung phone. Just send the association request to the AP here. So the association. So whenever you want to know about the capabilities of the client, so we need to capture the association request of the client. So association request it shows, hey, these are my capabilities of my laptops or my tablets or my mobile phones. So if we capture this prime and we will able to most of the data whichever most of the data applicable to this type of clients. So this association request frame is mainly about the capabilities of these clients. So here we will see this is this type of management frame. uh, the subtype is association request frame. So here the phone is just a transmitter and the source address, and the receiver is the destination, and this is the AP here. So it sends with the SSID. My SSID I have configured as a E. This is the fixed parameters capabilities here. Then what are the supported rates of the clients here? So the basic rate I have defined as is 11 here. So it shows it's 11. So but it supports other data rates also 1, 2, 5.5, 6, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 48 also supported. So what are the channels it supported? It supported from the channel 36. Then 36, 40, 44, 48, then 52, 56, 60, 64, then for 100. So Uni 1, Uni 2, and Uni 3 just supports that channels. Then what is the minimum and maximum power capability of the client here? So what is the minimum transmit power and the maximum transmit power of the clients? So whenever you are designing a network, wireless network of that particular area, so we need to calculate, take into account of this the transmit power of the whichever the clients has the lowest transmit power in of that. So that the both sides can hear each other. So or else it will lead to the retransmission of the frames. So you will get the minimum maximum data of that transmit power of the clients here. Since it's also a .NOT 802.11 in client, so it shows about the 11 and capabilities also. So you see the transmit beamforming capabilities, whether it's the transmit beamforming capabilities is supported by these clients. Then the WMM, the QoS capabilities of the client here. Then the security capabilities of the clients. So it shows a lot of capabilities about the clients. You will see about the details here. So if you expand to all the capabilities, you will know about what are the capabilities of the client is supported here. Then you will get the association response from the AP. So the receiver and destination address is the phone. Then the transmitter, the sources is the basicity of the AP here. Then you will see here status is successful. So it has a successful association request and response. Hey, this is the association response is saying the capabilities of the APs. So I have these are the capabilities of my AP. So we will both will negotiate. So if the negotiation went through successful, you will get the successful status code. If it's failed means you will see the failure code here. So you can see the standard here. Why if it will reply with this status code is a failure, then from the based on the code, you can find out what reason it has failed. So now it has sent the association ID also. So the association ID is here one. So using this association ID, it can buffer the data for the particular clients also. This data will be visible in the beacon frames. So it says the BSS, what is the basic data rate here? So 11 and what are the data rates it supported here? And what is the hasty capabilities of these APs here? So these are the capabilities of these APs. It shows the capabilities of the APs also here. So 802.11 capabilities of these APs here. And the vendor specific attributes about these QoS of these APs. So here you will see the QoS of the AP support this video, voice, and background best effort. What are the transmit opportunities and this contention window minimum maximum period. So once this association request and response goes through successfully, then this .NS authentication or this PSKS authentication will happens through. So we will see these about these details in the coming video. Thanks for watching.